Spicing up language, exploring irregular adjectives and adverbs. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting part of English grammar, irregular adjectives and adverbs. As always, we'll try to make this as clear and simple as possible. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every step counts. Let's get started. Before we delve into irregular adjectives and adverbs, let's recap quickly what adjectives and adverbs are. Adjectives describe or modify nouns. For example, in the sentence, "The green apple," green, is an adjective because it describes the apple. On the other hand, adverbs typically modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, providing us more information about how, when, where, or to what extent something happens. In the sentence, "She runs quickly," quickly is an adverb, as it describes how she runs. Now, moving on to the heart of our topic today, irregular adjectives and adverbs. We call some adjectives and adverbs irregular, because they do not follow the usual rules of formation. Most English adjectives become adverbs by adding "ly" at the end. For example, the adjective quick becomes the adverb quickly. However, some adjectives and adverbs don't play by these rules. Instead, they change form in a unique way or don't change at all. These are our irregular adjectives and adverbs. Let's see some examples of these rule breakers. 1. Good is an adjective, and its adverb form is well, not goodly. For example, "She did a good job," adjective. "She did the job well," adverb. 2. Fast can be both an adjective and an adverb. For example, "He is a fast runner," adjective. "He runs fast," adverb. 3. Hard is another word that can be both an adjective and an adverb. For example, "This is a hard test," adjective. "He works hard," adverb. It's important to remember these exceptions as they can greatly impact the meaning of your sentences. And there we have it. A closer look at irregular adjectives and adverbs. These can be a little tricky, but with practice, you'll get the hang of them. Remember, it's the irregularities, the exceptions, the things that don't quite fit that make a language rich and dynamic. So, don't be discouraged by them, embrace them. Thank you for joining us today. Keep practicing, stay curious, and keep expanding your language horizons. See you in the next lesson.